anisangitsheli indaba kababa uThulani. Ngaze ngamzwela uma. Kodwa-ke lento le esike sakhuluma ngayo bangani eyokwamukela. Most people bahlala kuma-relationships ngoba nje they want to hold on to something that once existed. Kanti uma wamukela, I don't even think ngo-2026 we can shame each other for ukuthi umuntu ulahlwe indoda noma ulahlwe umfazi. Uma ekulahla umuntu lahleka nawe. It is okay ukuthi ungabi naye umuntu until uNkulunkulu akuprovided the right one ozokuphatha ngalendlela othanda ukuphathwa ngayo. Akekho, I don't think ukuthi ukhona umuntu wesifazane ophilayo owenza izinto zobudlelwane ongakaze azagileke. Uyagileka, uyafunda, ushiye loyo, uhamba ushada nomunye, mayekubhedela nawe uyamshiya, ushadela phezu kwakhe, mawusukhathele uhlala phansi ukhulisa izingane zakho. Ayikhulumisi lento lena, ayikhulumisi. Abasengeli bayazi ukuthi sometimes indoda iyathandeka, abashadile bayazi nabo ukuthi ukuba singeli kunama benefits wakhona. Kuyaphileka bafazi, kuyaphileka. Yamukela nje situation njengoba isinjalo and own it. Own it, allow it. Sebemthathile, bamthathile, bye-bye. Okay, siyakhala phela ngoba vele usukuplanile ukuthi i-relationship izolasta. So obviously a part of you is gonna hurt. But decide ukuthi ufunani. I just found out ukuthi my grandmother married 3 times. I thought ugirl washada kawu-2, but she married 3 times. Umama Miriam Makeba, she married 5 times. Lento lena ikutshela ukuthi zayivele zikhona inkinga nakudala. But babephuma nje, aphume lapho ahamba yoshada. Aphume phumani nihambe niyoshada. Khona abanye, some lady in my church got married in her 60s or 70s. She got married, wahlangana nobaba, kwangathi igazi liyagijima, bashada happily ever after. Ayikho into ekhulumisayo, ayikho. Manje usasha kwabheda la ubukade usizakala khona. Hamba ushada.